Hi there. My name is Paul Chen, Head of Solutions Architect in ASEAN. With me is my co-host Lily Chan, Senior Specialist Solution Architect for Amazon Connect. Welcome to the Amazon Web Service Virtual Summit 2020. This session is titled Amazon Connect's Customer Service Experience, the Art of the Possible. This is a level 300 track, and we will be sharing how customers across the world are adopting the Amazon Connect customer service experience platform to provide their customers a more personal, dynamic, and natural experience. You will learn about the competencies that AWS has and the AWS ecosystem of incorporating multiple customer channels over voice, text, chatbot, and telephony. We will also touch on the high-level architectures where real-time analytics and the integration of AI/ML capabilities can enhance your customer interactions. All this on one platform to better understand your customers on the fly and personalize customer experience. This is a typical traditional contact center stack of solutions. It has been in existence for many years, supporting contact centers around the world. Over 10 years ago, Amazon's retail business needed a contact center that would give our customers personal, dynamic, and natural experiences. We explored many alternatives, but we couldn't find one that met our needs. So we built it. We now have this available for all businesses, and today, thousands of companies ranging from 10 to tens of thousands of agents use Amazon Connect to serve millions of customers daily. Using our knowledge and experience, we built an easy-to-use, intuitive system that enables Amazon customer service associates to focus their attention on the customer, rather than on navigating a complex, difficult-to-use system and their supervisors a simple tool for managing their staff and their business. Over 50 groups and businesses within Amazon and its subsidiaries provide customer service today, including Zappos, Audible, and of course, Amazon Retail Customer Service, which alone has over 100 global contact centers and over 70,000 agents, making Amazon Connect suitable for contact centers ranging from tens of agents to tens of thousands of agents. Amazon Connect is the simple-to-use cloud-based contact center service we brought to market to enable businesses to deliver exceptional omni-channel customer experiences that are natural, dynamic, and personalized. It includes all the standard functionality contact center operators' teams have come to expect. Skills-based routing maximizes the efficiency of agents and the satisfaction of end users and ensures you connect to the right customer, to the right agent at the right time. Voice and chat interactions are recorded, making it easy to monitor and improve agent quality. All the common reports and analytics you would expect are available and easy to use, including service level, handle time, and agent performance. Our customer often tells us how much they love the audio quality for calls with Amazon Connect. Using a standard broadband internet connection, agents can be located virtually anywhere, empowering businesses to offer increased flexibility for work-at-home agents. The only hardware you will need is a USB headset. We are helping customers turn around work-from-home agents with simplified Amazon Connect deployment and self-service capabilities using Lexbox. This has helped customers manage call volume challenges while adopting hyper-personalized capability to customer interactions. Amazon Connect is one of the fastest growing services at AWS, and since we went to market in March of 2017, thousands of customers have created huge number of Amazon Connect contact centers, and you can see just a handful of these customers here. Intuit, a US-based company, for example, relies on Amazon Connect to support over 100,000 calls on tax day. Capital One, a financial corporation, deployed Amazon Connect company-wide to support tens of thousands of customers every day. ChartSpan, the largest chronic care management service provider in the US, decreased costs 80% and increased staff utilization 12% by switching to Amazon Connect. Let's now hear from one of our key customers in this part of the world.
DXC is an end-to-end IT services company with over 6,000 private and public sector clients in 70 countries. DXC offers a wide range of services, which includes global service desk support, where we support over 8 million users today in 56 languages and in over 50 different locations across the world. DXC is the first in its field in Asia moving into digital call center solutions, which gives us a competitive differentiator. To meet our objectives of modernizing our offerings while bringing in cost and process efficiencies, we zeroed in on Amazon Connect from AWS. Our digital service desk offering powered by Amazon Connect will bring in our various value-added functionalities and benefits. As part of the CTI toolset, through intelligent voice response, we can provide more information to customers and route their calls more efficiently and quickly. At present, DXC Asia is migrating a total of 1,000 plus service desk seats in Kuala Lumpur and Manila to Amazon Connect. One of the biggest advantages from leveraging the Amazon Connect platform is agility. With Amazon Connect and Amazon Poly, we can make changes to call flows and greetings in less than a month. The time it takes to onboard a new customer will significantly reduce from more than 3 months to a matter of few weeks. Furthermore, by using AWS, we estimate an efficiency improvement of 30 to 40% due to increased automation and improved productivity on existing operations. In the contact center world, quality user experience is key. By using Amazon Connect on the AWS cloud, DXC can harness the power of technology and redefine the call center experience to present to our clients a compelling value proposition.
There are a few things that Amazon Connect differentiates compared to a traditional contact center solution, besides the fact that it runs on the cloud. One of them is interaction. Lots of folks think of this as a deflection of experience and containment of customer issues. Reality is, when a customer calls your contact center, you probably know a lot more about the customer besides the caller ID or the phone the customer is calling from. So we like to think about how you take automation to improve the experience rather than degrades it. I'm going to show you an example here of what that might look like if you start to use the data you already have access to.
Hi Nikki Wolf, I apologize that your flight was cancelled. I can rebook you for the next available flight, departing at 10 p.m. Would you like to book that now?
No, I'd rather rebook for the same time tomorrow. Is that possible?
Yes, that flight is available departing at 9 a.m. out of San Francisco, arriving in Seattle at 11:45 a.m. I can book you in seat 12C, it's an aisle. Would you like me to do that?
Yes, thank you.
Have you ever had an experience like this when you call an airline, your mobile carrier, or your internet provider? What makes this experience compelling is that it's personalized. We were able to greet Nikki by her name. The experience is dynamic, as we are able to understand her flight was canceled and dynamically present an appropriate greeting for what Nikki is most likely calling about. We make the entire experience feel incredibly natural. No press 1 for sales, press 2 for services, etc. And when asked a question, Nikki could just answer it. Let's take a look at how you could create an experience like this using the tools Amazon Connect provides. When the call came in, the caller ID was automatically passed and captured by Amazon Connect. I mentioned earlier the secret sauce of the AWS service and partners, and how we leverage these allows you to accelerate the creation of dynamic, natural, and personalized experiences with Amazon Connect. Here we can see the power just some of these services being utilized directly from within the contact flow. For example, using Lambda, you can easily integrate with virtually any backend system with no connection required, and here we look up the caller ID in the CRM system and return the caller's name and account number. Then, we use the account number to look up an account in the flight booking system and return that the caller had a flight scheduled today and that it was canceled. Lambda allows easy creation of reusable building blocks. A developer writes the code to connect to, for example, your CRM system, and a business user can then reuse that integration over and over inside your contact flows, wherever you need it. Using Amazon Lex, the same engine that powers the popular Alexa-enabled devices, you can easily create a chatbot that is dynamic, natural, and personalized. And just like Lambda, this can be reused across your contact flow and channels as needed. What makes Lex intelligent, after the first prompt, where Lex offers a recommended flight for Nikki to take, Nikki instead said no and tells Lex that she wants to rebook for the same time tomorrow. What's impressive here is that if Nikki has said no and not offered the information regarding which flight she wanted to take, the chatbot is smart enough to know it needs to ask for that information before continuing. In this example, it recognizes it has all the information it needs, so it moves on with the conversation. Now, it would be lovely if we could automate all interactions and contain every customer in an automated system. But realistically, there are times where you will have to connect end customers to an agent. Let's look now at how we handle that transfer to an agent. While watching this demonstration, I'd like you to think about the times where you've had to go from an automated system to agent and what that experience was like. What typically happens when you call a contact center, put information in the automated system, and then have to speak to an agent? Most people have a frustrating experience where they have to repeat themselves. Amazon Connect allows you to easily pass context to the agent so the caller has a seamless and consistent experience. In this example, we are seeing a transcript of the entire chatbot interaction to the agent so they have the context of what has already happened, so they don't have to ask the customer repeat questions. While sharing context is a challenge in many contact centers today, we have all experienced having to repeat ourselves as consumers. This can be easily solved using Amazon Connect by passing contact attributes to the agent, so they can arm with all relevant information and are ready to have an informed and helpful dialogue. These transcripts are available for chats too. Amazon Connect Chat helps Amazon continue with its mission to be the first truly omni-channel contact center service. What you build for voice is available for chat. Amazon Connect Chat is built from the ground up as asynchronous chat, meaning end customers can return to continue to the chat with the business hours later. And the context of the previous chat interactions is provided as a chat stream. For end customers and agents, this should be a familiar messaging experience, just like Facebook, Messenger, or WhatsApp. Another exciting feature for Amazon Connect Chat is the security built into the solution. Every chat message is encrypted end-to-end using a customer's encryption key, allowing for innovative use cases such as authenticated secure chat within mobile banking applications. This is a fantastic feature that will allow many new and exciting use cases around providing support to customers through chat. Integration with Amazon Lex is so tightly coupled out of the box, the handover between the chatbot and an agent is perfectly seamless. This integration requires no code and allows the pass-through of the complete transcript to the agent automatically. Using Lex Simple Chatbot can be enabled in minutes using the graphical designer with no coding required. Lex also accelerates the building of complex conversational bots, which can be created using Lambda integration quickly and easily. Amazon Connect continues to deliver a complete contact center at a fraction of the cost of traditional contact center solutions, and chat is no different. Like all AWS services, pricing for Amazon Connect is pay as you go with no required long-term commitments. And Amazon Connect Chat is priced per message with no telephony charges. This also enables you to start anywhere. You can begin with a chat-only deployment and add voice capabilities later without costly entry pricing. Here you see a screenshot of the Amazon Connect Contact Control Panel, CCP, embedded within Salesforce Service Cloud. While this is enabled using the CCP JS Stream API, we provide a pre-built integration available for free in the Salesforce App Exchange. Many of the most popular application contact centers offer similar integrations to Amazon Connect. And your data is your data. For example, call recordings and chat transcripts are stored in your S3 bucket, where you can control access and lifecycle using the powerful S3 toolset. You can also leverage a number of integrations already available from workforce management vendors to build schedules and track adherence. Amazon Connect comes out of the box with real-time dashboards and historical reports. But you have the ability to stream Amazon Connect's most detailed contact records to the data warehouse of your choice and analyze as you choose with your tools of choice, like Amazon QuickSight or Tableau. Lily Chan will now walk you through an actual demonstration of the Amazon Connect service and its integration capabilities.
As a customer, I will kickstart my chat conversation with Amazon Lex chatbot, who will front all my inquiries. Lex is the same engine that powers Amazon Alexa, providing automatic speech recognition and natural language understanding with lifelike conversational interactions. I might reach a point which I need to talk to someone. The Lex bot will provide me with an option for callback or chat with a live agent. So let's chat now. Chat gets routed to the best skilled agent, similar to how voice calls get routed. Notice that the bot chat history is transferred to the agent, and you will also see the customer's contact attributes being displayed. Now, the customer and agent will start chatting with each other. Note that Amazon Connect provides a single routing engine, a unified contact flow, and centralized reporting for multiple channels. Besides Amazon Connect, we can leverage on other AWS services like Amazon Translate to support a two-way real-time translation for multiple languages so that agent who's not provisioned in a certain language can still provide good support. We are leveraging on Amazon Comprehend, which uses machine learning to uncover insights to get sentiment analysis and derive agents' next best actions. As you can see now, customer starts to ask questions, for example in Mandarin, and that gets translated in real time back to the agent with the sentiment analysis and next best actions. Here, we are using AWS AI ML capabilities to empower agents and provide customers with a much more engaging customer experience. Amazon Chat can be asynchronous, such that if agent or customer were to disconnect the chat, and within a certain time period, if customer were to ask a follow-up question, this chat can be routed to the same agent. Conversation context is maintained, giving customers the freedom to move between channels without having them to start all over again. And this provides a persistent chat experience, especially from a native mobile chat perspective. Now, let's move to Contact Lens for Amazon Connect. Contact Lens is a new analytics capability powered by AWS machine learning, which transcribes your contact center interactions to searchable customer insights. Supervisors can search and look at analytics such as sentiment analysis and silence detection in order to improve agents' performance. Supervisors can also quickly and easily search and discover emerging themes and trends from customer conversations for both voice and chat without any complex setup or tuning of AI/ML models. The machine learning models that power Contact Lens have been trained specifically to understand the nuances of contact center conversations, including multiple languages and custom vocabularies. And they can be alerted to issues like when an agent is unable to help a frustrated customer, giving them the ability to intervene earlier when the customer is having a poor experience. As you can see, I'm able to search for previous call recordings and chat transcripts, including those from Lex chatbot. There are many search parameters which I can use. For example, search by sentiment score, keywords and phrases, non-talk time, and etc. Well, that's all for my demo now. Thank you.
This is the picture we saw earlier. It shows how Amazon Connect simplifies dramatically your contact center solution. But you must be wondering, how can we simplify things this way and still help you get closer to building a highly available solution? It's a legitimate question. How do we do it? What's under the hood? This slide depicts at a high level a typical workload for Amazon Connect. You can see that customers often leverage multiple other services with Amazon Connect. After all, a key benefit in using Amazon Connect is the ability to leverage the diverse set of other AWS services easily from an AWS contact flow. The call comes through a carrier into Amazon Connect infrastructure, lands on one of our SBCs, Session Border Controllers. Then, multiple processes and modules kick in. Ultimately, a contact flow is executed and the customer's configured call experience is run. Sometimes, you perform data dips through Lambda functions or invoke a Lexbot for your natural language IVR. Then, through a set of interfaces, the call lands on an agent's desktop while we collect metrics for real-time and historical metrics. Let's first focus on our part by showing you how we are architected for high availability. From our side, key platforms that come into play are our telephony platform and our application platform, among others. They both are designed for high availability. As for the other platform components that can be integrated to the solution, all these components and services of Amazon Connect are built for active-to-active operation across multiple availability zones. They include agent management and call control, routing, contact flow execution, real-time matrix, historical matrix. Now let's look at the reporting and matrix capabilities. Amazon Connect agent event streams are Amazon Kinesis data streams that provide you with near real-time reporting of agent activity within your Amazon Connect instance. The events published to the stream include these CCP events: agent lock-in, agent lockout, agent connects with a contact, agent status change, such as to available to handle contacts or on a break or at training. You can use the agent event streams to create dashboards that display agent information and events, integrate streams into workforce management WFM solutions, and configure alerting tools to trigger custom notifications of specific agent activity. Agent event streams help you manage agent staffing and efficiency. Amazon Connect contact flow logs provide you with real-time details about events in your contact flow as customers interact with them. You can use contact flow logs to help debug your contact flows as you are creating them. After you publish your contact flows, you can view the logs to gain insights into what happens during complex contact flows and quickly identify errors that your customers encounter when they connect to your contact center. If needed, you can always roll back to a previous version of a contact flow. Contact flow logs are stored in Amazon CloudWatch, in the same region as your Amazon Connect instance. A log entry added as each block in your contact flow is triggered. You can configure CloudWatch to send alerts when unexpected events occur during active contact flows. As a contact center manager, you can aggregate data from contact flow logs to analyze performance of contact flows to optimize the experience you provide to your customers. Let's now focus on how to get analytics out of the rich set of data published by Amazon Connect. We make use of an Amazon Connect data stream and create an end-to-end workflow to offer an analytical solution that can be customized based on need. In this architecture, we use Kinesis Firehose to capture Amazon Connect CTRs as raw data in an Amazon S3 bucket. We use AWS Glue functionality to automatically detect the schema on the fly from an Amazon Connect data stream. The AWS Glue job performs the ETL that transforms the data from JSON to Parquet format. We use AWS Glue crawlers to capture any new data frame inside the JSON code that we want to be dynamic in nature. What this means is that when you add new attributes to an Amazon Connect instance, the solution automatically recognizes them and incorporates them in the schema of the results. After AWS Glue stores the result in Parquet format, you can perform analytics using Amazon Redshift Spectrum, Amazon Athena, or any third-party data warehouse platform. To keep this solution simple, we have used Amazon Athena for analytics. Amazon Athena allows us to query data without having to set up and manage any service or data warehouse platforms. Additionally, you only pay for the queries that are executed. It can be challenging to get a complete picture of the satisfaction of customers and how they interact with your business. Post-call surveys have low response rates and generally capture only every positive or very negative customer feedback. Manual quality assurance programs cannot be expected to score more than a handful of interactions, generally 1 or 2 calls per month per agent, exposing businesses to great risk of breaches of compliance and, in some industries, regulatory fines. Contact Lens for Amazon Connect is a set of machine learning capabilities and is directly integrated into Amazon Connect. Contact Lens for Amazon Connect allows supervisors and QA managers to better understand the sentiment, trends, and compliance risks of customer interactions, to effectively train agents, replicate successes, and identify crucial company and product feedback. In order to enable this, Contact Lens provides a number of enhanced features. Team detection will be available in 2020 and will allow for easy visualizations of events as they happen, without needing to pre-configure categories. For example, A spike in calls about payment problems on the website might be linked to an outage in a payment gateway, which can be quickly identified with theme detection. Supervisor Assist will also be available in 2020 and will allow direct intervention by supervisors in real time, alerting them to potential issues with custom definable alerts and rules to bring problems to a supervisor's attention in time to help a frustrated customer before they hang up. We are constantly improving and introducing new features on behalf of our customers. The latest addition is Voicemail for Amazon Connect. Voicemail for Amazon Connect offers users an add-on voicemail solution that they can associate with their Amazon Connect instance. Customers start by deploying an AWS CloudFormation template to set up the architecture with necessary AWS services to provide Amazon Connect agents with voicemail features such as voicemails recording and transcripts. The solution offers a visual interface for managers and administrators to configure the voicemail settings for the entire Amazon Connect instance and for each agent. Amazon Connect is built on a platform that is open and reliable while secure. And as always, your data is your data. Enrich metadata for every contact, such as call transcripts, sentiment, categorization labels, stock speed, and interruptions will be available in your S3 bucket in a clearly defined schema. This allows more enhanced reporting capabilities, such as utilizing this data in conjunction with other data sources like a CRM tool in a single BI dashboard. Each of these enhancements allows supervisors and quality managers to gain more insight into how their business is running and quickly identify where there might be areas for improvement. New innovation capabilities are being introduced to enhance customer interactions constantly. Augmented reality and virtual reality is one of these areas, which can extend customer interactions with spatial interactive 3D. Extending this to context-aware machine learning services such as Amazon Comprehend and Amazon Recognition. Adding voice-driven capabilities with Amazon Lex, Amazon Polly, and Amazon Translate. Going global and scaling content with Amazon CloudFront and Amazon Simple Storage Service. To enabling multi-users interactions with AWS AppSync. And finally, with Amazon Sumerian in a service that brings a new dimension to your web and mobile customer interaction applications. 3D immersive experiences are breathing new life into user experiences on the web, increasing customer engagement with brands and improving productivity in the workplace. Amazon Sumerian makes it easy to create engaging 3D front-end experiences and is integrated with Amazon services to provide easy access to machine learning, chatbots, code execution, and more. As a web-based platform, your immersive experiences are accessible via a simple browser URL and are able to run on popular hardware for AR, VR. Before we end, here are some takeaways that Lily and I would like to leave you with. The first, start small. Get a simple solution going. Learn and iterate from there. Second, be flexible. Innovation and new features are being introduced at a fast rate. And finally, communicate across your stakeholders to get your buy-in from different businesses. With that, we thank you.